My client has fine textured, mixed curly hair, mostly 3C in the nape and mostly 3B on the top and around the face. As her ends weather between cuts, they become tangled and the looser top curls don't spring well at the scalp. She's growing her hair out. She never wears her hair straight, so I will do a quick wet cut that shapes her hair without removing too much length. This cut takes only 20 to 25 minutes from start to finish. I prep her hair with a reparative emollient shampoo and conditioner to reduce tangling and to boost moisture. And I use a detangling spray with heat protection and then a penetrating oil. After combing out the hair, I scrunch the curls up as high as possible. Tilting her head forward, I trim off the lowest hanging curls without tension. If I were to use tension, the hair would dry unevenly because of the curl mixture. To layer her looser top, I have her stand and bend forward from the hips until her top hair falls at the desired angle from her forehead. I slap the ends to keep them from clumping up, and I cut the ends of the hair freehand. To layer the sides, I have her pose leaning to each side until the fall of the hair is 90 degrees from the side of the head and trim the ends. I taper the curls around her face according to their springiness. As her curls dry, some will hang lower around the perimeter. I whittle cut them individually until they blend with the rest of the curls. I apply some firm hold mousse and have her set up her curls as she would to dry them at home. I then place her under a medium heat, low speed dryer for 5 to 10 minutes. Afterward, she will fluff her hair again and will check for randoms. She's all fresh for another semester. I love you, AJ. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please subscribe and keep running with scissors. Cheers!